standing still, you cross the bridge. There's a higher place to go, beyond belief, beyond belief. Where we reach the next plateau, beyond belief, beyond belief. And from faith to faith we grow, towards the center of the throne, where He beckons us to go beyond belief, beyond belief. Whoa. Leap of faith without a net makes us want to hedge our bet. Water's never hard until our feet get wet. Whoa, there's a deeper place to go, where the road seems hard to hold. He who has begun this work won't let it go. Let it go. There's a higher place to go, beyond belief, beyond belief. Where we reach the next plateau, beyond belief, beyond belief. And from faith to faith we grow, towards the center. Where He beckons us to go beyond belief, beyond belief. And it takes so long to see the change, but we look around and it seems so strange. We have come so far, but the journey's long, and we once were weak, but now we're strong. There's a higher place to go.
I don't know, but I've been told you never slow down, you never grow old. Tired of screwing up, tired of going down, tired of myself, tired of this town. Oh my mind, oh hell yes, honey put on your party dress. Buy me a drink, sing me a song, take me out again cause I can't stay long. Last ditch Mary Jane, one more time to kill the pain. I feel summer creeping and I'm trying this town again.
victory. When all I see is the mountain, you see a mountain moved. And as I walk through the shadow, your love surrounds me. There's nothing to fear now, for I am safe with you. So when I'll fight on my knees with my head lifted high. Oh God, the battle belongs to you, and every fear I lay at your feet. I'll sing through the night.